Hi everyone, welcome to Everyday Cooking for Two. I'm Chef Cow. Tonight we're making Idellas fried chicken, coleslaw, and cornbread sticks. I'm using my cast iron skillet. This was my mother-in-law Jano's. I saved it from a garage sale. Supposed to be for a friend of mine, but never made it. And my corn sticks in this neat little pan I picked up. It's kind of cool. So this is going to go in the oven right now, and then we'll get started. Okay, now we're going to start with our chicken. I've had our chicken in the buttermilk for about 12 hours. And our seasoning is going to be here about 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, garlic, a little cayenne pepper. However you like it, works for you. As always, down in the description below will be the recipes. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to disjoint the chicken.
Alright, this part.
Right. Don't care to be seen.
Toss all of this. Our chicken's in the fridge. Now, very important, clean my cutting board, wiped off the schmeckes. Flip it over. You want to prevent any cross-contamination because now we're going to be going on to making our coleslaw, which is not going to be cooked. So we don't want to have raw chicken and our cabbage and our slaw mixing together. So we're going to make about half of this however you like it. If you like it shredded, if you like it chopped. It's your slaw. Make it the way you like it. Shredding the cabbage. I do have a funky little machine for this, but I'm not going to use it today. This stuff is kind of thick, so.
Skills. Okay.
Let me grab this.
Pause. Oh, never mind. It's right there.
Because I'm going to use this for the carrot, but yeah. Let's see if we can get this to work. Careful your fingers though, because if your shredder is sharp, you do get a little bit different kind of a
Texture
than the slaw. It's really
depends
kind
on
of
what you
boils
like.
down to whatever you like, and you know what, guys, it's your slaw. Make it how you like it.
Hashtag skills.
Okay, now I got a carrot. I cheated a little bit. I peeled it, washed it. Saving a little bit of time. But here's our shredded cabbage and our carrot for our coleslaw. And here we're going to start making our dressing for it. This is about 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise in our bowl here. And here we have about 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And this is 1/4 cup milk. And here we have a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and vinegar. Stir. Incorporate our milk to our Mayo before I add our lemon juice because I don't want things curdling. Okay guys, our dressing is ready. I'm going to add it to our slaw.
Oh, wait a minute, no.
Move over. Chicken's in the fridge. We'll toss this in there. We're going to make our cornbread. Okay guys, now we're going to start with our cornbread. And here I have a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And we have a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Yellow cornmeal. And here, because we're up north, we like our cornbread sweet. About 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And here are 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to throw that in there. Give that a little mix. I have our cast iron pan in the oven right now, warming up, getting hot. Now I'm adding 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of milk. And we got about 1/3 cup of oil there. Mix this all together. Our oil should be about hot enough for our chicken to start. We're going to fry that at 325 degrees or so. We don't want
So there's our cornbread mix.
And then we'll show you what to do with that next. Okay guys, we're back. Our chicken's been sitting in the fridge for a little while. Trying to get a little wet to it. We'll start putting them in there. Cast iron skillet here. Our thermometer is reading 325 degrees. We'll turn it up a pinch because it will go down. Okay guys, one other thing I'm going to do real quick just so we can get it on camera. Here's my corn stick pan. I've had it in the oven for a while, so it's hot. The oven's on 400 degrees. We'll oil up that oiled up pretty good. Now I have just a 2-ounce ladle here. I'm going to fill each one of these molds. Back in the oven they go. In a while guys since I've made these, but we're going to let them go for probably about 13 minutes. If that's not right, I'll let you know. Okay, we'll see you back in a little while. Okay guys, I just got yelled at why I wasn't filming these coming out of the pan. Apparently my wife thinks they look good. We'll do them again. We'll be back. We have Idellas chicken with coleslaw and cornbread. Very inexpensive meal. This whole plate right here probably cost $2. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please click subscribe and like down below. The recipe will be printed in the comments. Have a good night. Thanks. Okay guys, dinner's over. So much for leftovers. That's all that's left. It was good.